Hi and welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Siri ChatGPT extension not working in iOS 27 and macOS 27 Golden Gate. Siri's ChatGPT extension makes it pretty easy to get AI-powered answers, summarize documents, draft messages, and complete complex requests using Apple Intelligence. However, after updating to iOS 27 or macOS 27 Golden Gate, some users may find that Siri no longer hands requests over to ChatGPT or the extension fails to respond altogether. These issues can occur because of Apple Intelligence settings, software glitches, or problems with your ChatGPT account. But fret now because I have got you covered with some quick tips and tricks. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, ensure that you have not locked the ChatGPT extension on your device. Before going any further, make sure you have given the ChatGPT extension the needed permission to work with Siri on your device. Just head over to the Settings app and then choose Screen Time. After that, select Content and Privacy Restrictions or Privacy option. Then choose Siri. After that, ensure that the toggle for extension is active. Then you have to hit the Done button to confirm the action. On your iPhone or iPad, make sure that the Allow option is selected for the extension. After that, reboot your device and check if Siri has begun to work with ChatGPT or not. Next up, I will recommend you to perfectly set up ChatGPT on your device. Another important thing that you should do without fail is to ensure that ChatGPT is perfectly set up on your device. Due to the lack of needed permission and setup, the extension might not be working properly. So head over to the Settings app, then choose Siri. After that, you have to disable the toggle for Use Extension. Then make sure to wait for a few seconds and reactivate it. Additionally, be sure to choose the desired voice for ChatGPT as well. After that, it would also be helpful to allow ChatGPT to handle advanced requests and create images with the enhanced capability. Keep in mind that you'll have access to the basic and advanced ChatGPT capabilities until you have reached your daily limit. And whenever you exceed the limit, your access will be immediately restricted for up to 24 hours. Even though it's not necessary, I would recommend you sign in with your ChatGPT account as it will help you unlock a more personalized experience. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone, iPad, or macOS device. Should the ChatGPT extension continue to falter, updating the software on your device would be a wise move. There is a decent chance that some hidden bugs could be getting in the way. So head over to the Settings app, then choose General. After that, select Software Update, and then you have to check for the latest update and go ahead to download and install it. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix Siri ChatGPT extension not working on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Hopefully, you have managed to get a better of the problem, and now the beloved extension has started to work like a charm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.